Nashisha, where do you live?
I live like, you know my name Maggie?
Yes?
You go up that road, there's a level right there, you go like this and go there. And after, as you go there, you go up there again, go so, then you go over there, there's a house, and then after you pass the house, then you go like this, and go up, and then you turn around this corner, there's another house, then you go over, then there's a red man tree, then you go around, there's a road, go around somebody's yard, then you go like this and go straight out, then you go up, there's another house, and then after you are finished, then you go over, then you go up, there's a mango tree, and go up little more and go on the flat. That's my house.
Oh, boss.
Yeah, what go?
Yeah, may I look for juicy beef. Juicy beef? Yeah, man, a simple thing that, man. Which direction you come from?
You know, so somewhere I come from, yeah.
Where? So?
Back so.
Back so?
Yes.
Alright. Well, if I saw you come from, then I easier with that. So a simple thing. You're going to go half mile up the road, see?
Yes.
You're going to see the first left turn.
Yes.
You're not going to take that.
Okay.
And then you're going to see the second right one. You're not going to take the right one.
Right.
See? And then you're going to go up to a crossroad.
Yes.
Just when you reach up at a crossroad,
Yeah.
you done lost. So I hope you safe for them in that time.
So, okay, so I'm not going to crossroad then?
No man, when you go for a crossroad.
I'm enough to take first left.
Oh, you get first left next spot.
You're confused. You just said you know. Go ahead.
You're not going to up this one at all. You're going to go straight. And take the first bend.
Quarter mile up the road.
Half mile.
Half mile, yes.
Take the first bend.
Right.
When you take the first bend, you're going to book up on a school.
What you call it, Ben? The corner or the...
The corner, man.
Alright.
You're going to meet comprehensive school.
Yeah.
And I don't get so juicy beef then, none at all. Juicy beef then in the next direction. So if you don't get so, you need to go by the next direction. That's about one next 5 minutes drive. Right? First you're going to come up on our police station. 5 minutes up the road.
Understand. Hold on. But you tell me all I taste is juicy beef. Now, but I know which part juicy beef is.
Stop in there, let me take a Portland I come from?
No, not really, you know.
Alright, I'm me a director because I'm me come from Portland. You see me say? Me come from Portland. Who come from Portland? I'm me come from Portland. You see me say? A long time I born and grew so. You see when time, then they just have the school right around the road so. When name Compre. Me used to go to school then.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
And then me cousin got to school there. Yeah. See? And then after she left because she didn't get a scholarship and got England. See? And then let me get whole thing. After she got England, she married to a brother up there named Louis. See?
Yeah.
But Louis, most people not doing Louis out of my family still. Because you see Louis is a brother like this. This is a man who does all want call you up and he might go on like
yeah,
say.
I understand, but hear me say, at the party place I really want, man. I know all about Louis or something. Which one I can find the party place?
Oh. You know say the party place move?
So which part there now?
The party place right now them a sell burger and something you know. Yeah. So now the party them sell burger because some people they don't think. But me don't like them fries. You see them fries them sell? Them fries.
Yeah, me understand. But you understand? Which part there that's we can get some party? Some of some party that's we can.
You know so I'm not sure say a party alone them sell up there now.
Them sell party, right?
Them supposed to sell party.
Which part of them then? Direct me to them.
The party them?
Oh, yes.
Alright. From them start sell burger, I don't know if I see them thing them do. But I know say them sell burger and patty. But I don't know.
You know get me.
What you really want to know?
Patty.
Alright.
You want to come with me and show me?
Yeah, I can do that.
Alright, come and show.
Alright,
you're not going with me. I don't know ya.
Come on, man.
No, come in the car. You can't drive. You come in the car? Yes. Talk to your brother, yeah, man. Oh, boy. Oh, what's your name, boss?
You know, so Blue Right Palace, my name.
Alright, respect Palace. God, boy, I can't manage your car.
So, like, I buy me a party.